Instagram allows users to control what type of content they see on their feeds. Explore page and reels by adjusting the sensitive content control setting. So this feature helps you to decide whether you want to see more or less of the certain types of content that might be sensitive or disturbing. Let's open the Instagram account and then head to the display picture. Click on that and now go to the three dot lines. Click on that and go to the content preferences. Click on that and here is the sensitive content. Click on this arrow and here you can select your choices. So you can also select the standard and click confirm, and you can also select what type of content you want to see. You can also select more, but it is best to use less so it will not display the sensitive content or your Instagram feeds. So this way you can easily manage Instagram preferences or sensitive content control in Instagram. So that's all, you have done it. Thanks for watching.